Milford Tesla here. This is how they put my windshield in. Sitting higher than the roof glass now. It's probably a 1/4 inch higher if you look at it. See how perfectly flush these glasses are? This is we're gonna go through the whole parking lot and take a video of 4 of them. We'll do. See how perfectly flush these windows are? This is another one. Here's my Model S right here. This is the $140,000 car that they installed the windshield incorrectly on. Windshield sits a 1/4 of an inch higher than the glass. Does not fit right. It's either a glass defect or it's something wrong with the way they installed it. Here's another Model S, for example. Here, window sits perfectly flush the way it should be. There's no lip, there's no overage to the roof glass. Here's another Model S. We'll check this one. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect to the roof. No issues. We've got another 2 over here. We'll go check. Would you look at that? No lip. The glass sits flush. They're telling me, Chris, the service writer over here, is telling me that this is within Tesla specs that my window should sit that high. Here's another Model S. Perfectly flush with the roof. Both Model S's. Then we'll go back to this $140,000 PLAID, which I paid to have a windshield put in, and they could not install correctly. See how high it sits above? You can actually see the back of the window when you're looking down in it. Trying to get a focus in here. They can't even put the weather strip in correctly. Weather strip's all creased. See how that lip is? That's not acceptable. I'm being told that's within Tesla spec. Unacceptable. Here, we'll go over to another one over here. This is a flush windshield. Flush. There's no gap. There's no height difference. Everything sits flush and even with the car. No issues. Factory.